Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now in front of me on the table is Diode Dynamics' brand new SSC2 LED pods. Now these are the half size of their SS3 pods, which we absolutely love here at CJ Off-Road, and we've run them on a ton of off-road and on-road vehicles. Now what Diode Dynamics decided to do with these lights is basically make them half the size, and that's where the C2 comes from. It's basically half the size of that SS3 lineup. Now with these pods, you're gonna get the same great durable construction, as well as all of the different options that you could with the SS3. You can get 5 different beam patterns on here, including high beam driving, fog wide, you can get spot, flood, as well as a combo beam. Now you can also change the lens color from an amber to a clear, and then also get them in the Pro or the standard model. There's a ton of options with these, and really you can find the best one for your off-road rig and a nice spot for you to put these. These can literally be used in just about any application off-road, whether it's up on top on a roof rack, in the back as a reverse light, or even up front as forward-facing lighting. They're nice and compact, and they're made right here in the USA. Now the biggest and coolest feature that these are available in is going to be the backlight. Now all of these have a backlight option color, which means it's a small light inside there that will light up and illuminate the entire perimeter of the light while it's not in use. Now today we're going to show you how I'm going to get these mounted up to my 2020 Jeep Gladiator, show you some more features once they're on the truck, but overall guys, these are a great lighting option. They're so small and compact, however when you pick these things up, they are just straight quality. These are really beefy, and they come with a standard 4-pin Deutsch in the back, which is easily wired up to just about anything you can imagine. So why don't we go ahead and we'll get them installed on our Gladiator, show that backlighting feature, and I'll show you why I chose to put certain ones in what location, as well as what beams I chose to go where. Let's get started guys. I'm super excited to show you guys these lights. Now I did some wiring and got these into my S-Pod. You can buy a harness separately and run it into whatever switch system that you have. So I'm going to turn on my switch 1, which is going to be my backlighting. You can see the front 2 have an amber backlight as well as the side one, but the side one being an amber lens and a flood pattern, you can't really see it as well. In pitch black you do see it, and it is a nice touch. With that on, we can then turn on switch 2, which is going to be full power. And you can see all of our lights turn on. I've got a nice side light here as well as 2 front-facing lights. I'm going to do the exact same on the other side, but overall guys, I'm extremely happy with these lights. They look really clean, they're crisp, and they just perform exactly the way they're intended to. Everything feels and looks like it's going to last a lifetime, so I'm super excited to have these on my Jeep. All right guys, well as you can see, we got everything just about buttoned up here. Now you do see a lot of exposed wiring, and the reason for that is we're going to get it all onto here and bolted up. So basically what I mean by that, you can see we still got a lot of adjustability on here. What I want to do is turn on the actual lights, shine them on the wall, figure out where I want them height-wise, as well as if I want them turned at all. Same with this one here. And then what I'm going to do is unbolt. Once I have them all tightened down here, disconnect the plugs off the back, unbolt the entire assembly, put some black Tesa tape on these wires, tuck it down nicely, and then route all those. Now that's all just technical stuff, and depending on what vehicle you're doing, it's gonna really be different for you. But it's really nice to get it all bolted up here, get these all level and looking good, get them exactly where you want it to sit, even the ditch light here, tighten it all down, pull it apart like I said, and then we'll be good to go. Now if you wanna check out these Diode Dynamics SSC2 lights, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com for all these great lighting options, as well as even more from Diode Dynamics. You can get cowl light brackets, all sorts of things to help you get these installed on your off-road vehicle. Until next time guys, I'm gonna get all this finished up, and I'll see you out on the trail.